Hello, my name is John Pisani. I'm an engineer at Electro-Harmonix, and welcome to my desk here at Electro-Harmonix. I want to give you a little introduction into the 22 caliber, which is a new product for us. It is a guitar amp in a little nano-sized box. It's 22 watts. It's a Class D power amp, and this is what it looks like up close. It's got a volume control and a bright switch, so pretty simple to operate. The bright switch gives you a subtle presence boost, a little bit more definition, and the volume is pretty obvious. The output is rated for 4 to 16 ohms, so you can plug it into just about any guitar cabinet you like, even a 412. You'll notice there's no foot switch. It's not a pedal, it's an actual amplifier. The input is, for instruments, it's a high input impedance, perfect for guitars. So I want to talk a little bit about the history of this design. I had designed for myself about 3 years ago a 20-watt amplifier in this same size package for a PA system, for like a practice PA. And I plugged my mixer into it. And about a year ago, Mike Matthews, the president of EH, said he wanted to make a little guitar amp. And I said, oh, well, I have this little PA mixer I use. Maybe we can adapt it for guitar. And that's what we did. We designed a nice high input impedance, very nice sounding circuit into the 22 caliber for guitar, and it does sound especially sweet on guitar, although you could plug keyboards or other instruments into it. So that's a little of the history. I want to also show you what it looks like into an oscilloscope, so we'll actually be able to measure the power coming out of the 22 caliber, and we'll do that right now. Let me hook it up. And I apply power, the green LED comes on, lets you know that it's on. And so, let's see, right now, I'm going to hook up this clip. If you look at the scope, we've got a nice flat line on the oscilloscope because my volume is on 0. So as I turn it up, our sine wave grows. The further I turn it up, the further it's going to grow. And I don't know if you can see or not, but I've got these two lines here on the top and bottom. They represent 26.6 volts peak to peak. So I will turn it up to there. And right now the 22 caliber is doing 22 watts into this 8 ohm load here, this dummy load. If you do the math, 26.6 divided by 2 would give you 13.3. You square that number and divide by 8 and you get 22 watts. So 22 caliber is putting out 22 watts right now on the screen. So that's the 22 caliber. Thank you very much.